What to wear on a long flight, vacation, work, whatever you're traveling for. I get asked this question all the time. Today, I'm gonna give you 4 outfit ideas that you can wear on a plane regardless of how long your flight is. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and for those of you who do, welcome back. Before I get into this video, if you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up because that's how I know what types of videos you guys like to watch. And if you hit that red subscribe button down below, I will show up in your mailbox every Friday and we will hang out. Okay, let's move right into it. A question that I get asked all the time is, I'm traveling, I'm heading on a flight, I have to land and I have to start working. I have to land and I have to meet my fiance's parents. I have to land and I wanna look good. So today I'm gonna give you 4 inspirational outfit ideas, things that I really love, things that are comfortable, things that are comfy, and some that are dressy. So here we go. Without further ado, look number 1. For this look, something that's important, I'm gonna start at the top. So let's say I have a long haul flight. I consider that anywhere from like 4 hours up. So typically I will land and actually go right into a meeting or go right to work and meet a client. This is something that I found at a store called Man Woman Home. I will leave the link down below. I will also leave a phone number. You can call them, you can get all the pieces. I am literally keeping all of this. So here's the thing, on a flight, you wanna be comfortable, you still wanna look good, and you wanna be warm. So right now we're in those average temperatures, depending on where you're at, but it still could be cold on a flight, even if you're coming from a warmer climate. The teddy bear coat is hugely in fashion right now. How cute is this cream one? What I love about it is that it's cropped, so it's not big and cumbersome, and it's lined. This coat is so nice. It's a dream to put on. I literally feel like I am wearing a teddy bear and I'm so happy about it. I styled it just with a graphic tee. So this t-shirt here is super light and it's a little bit edgy. So for those of you who don't want to dress it down, I like it like this. You could just put on like a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt. But this is what I'm wearing. So when I take off my jacket, let's say I'm landing somewhere where it's a little warmer, I'm fine then. I just tuck my jacket in my bag and I'm good. Or if you're going somewhere and it is the same temperature and you're cold, you've got your cute teddy bear jacket. Love it. Heading down to the pants, what you can't tell about these plaid pants, they look like they're wool. I believe they're made out of cotton. They are so stretchy and so soft. I feel like I'm actually wearing pajamas. I can't believe it. I pulled them on. I'm like, oh my goodness, these are the best pants. But I look like I'm dressy. They're so comfortable, I like wearing pajamas. So I look completely on trend, pulled together, ready to go, but yet I feel literally like I am in my pajamas. This is a fantastic plain outfit for so many reasons. And I wanna just skip down to the boots. These easily slip on and off. So something to think about, don't wear something with a lot of laces, a lot of buckles. I have a pair of boots that I wear all the time. You can see on my Instagram. I sometimes wear those on the plane and they have literally like 10 buckles each. Massive pain, don't wear those. So this is a fantastic outfit. A word to the wise, white sometimes on a plane. If you are a bit of a spiller, I would maybe not go for white, but I've managed to pull it off and I can be a klutz and I've done it. But I'm just saying, if it's not your thing, go for something in a charcoal gray or a black. But I really like this. The lightness is really nice. Look number 1. For look number 2, I'm making the presumption that you can dress a little more casually. You still want to look nice, but maybe you're not heading directly to a business meeting, or maybe you work in a creative field and it's okay to head to a business meeting, but you still want to be comfortable. Joggers are super trendy right now, and I always get asked, where can I find a nice pair of joggers? So I found these joggers, which are 100% wool. I found them at Man Woman Home. They're super, super comfortable. I love the color, but they're all wool. They're really classy. They're knit sweatpants, so they're sort of a little bit elevated. I've styled them with a graphic tee again from Man Woman Home. I've thrown on a leather jacket and just with a pair of Nike runners. This is a very casual airport look, but you're not a slob. You're still dressed up. We've added the jacket, which is a great look. We've added knit joggers, very classy. If you want to dress it up even one more notch, just take off the graphic tee and put on a plain one. So for look number 3, who doesn't want to wear leggings when you're traveling? I do. But you need them to look dressy. You don't want to look like a total slob. I know athleisure is very on trend right now, But you can also dress up your leggings. I found these leggings at Lulu and I'm totally obsessed with them. So here's the thing, they're completely breathable. They sweat wick, which is amazing. They're just great for sitting around. They're really comfortable and they've got a bit of a sheen to them. I think they're really cool. So what I've done is I actually styled them with a tall pair of over-the-knee boots. Fantastic, dresses them up a little bit. But the key to this outfit is actually my top/tunic. I'm short, so just remember I'm 5'4", so for me, this hangs past my butt. For you, you might wanna add another layer to it, and just even a longer, tighter tank top that hangs below. This tunic turtleneck actually is reversible. Check this out. If you do decide to take this piece or buy this piece, it is actually 2 different turtlenecks in one, which means if you are traveling, you have 2 different looks in one piece. Fantastic. Also, if you slop on it on one side, you can reverse it and wear it on the other. Fantastic. Something I would like to caution you with this outfit, it is cold on the plane, so if you're not gonna bring a jacket, because it's not that cold, I've showed this blanket scarf so many times, you guys always ask me. It's from Aritzia, it's not available anymore, but there are other ones like this. I'm just gonna show you, this is a fantastic piece. Now I've got a fantastic outfit. And I'm in breathable leggings and a reversible turtleneck. Amazing. Okay, so for the 4th look, I get asked this question also so many times. You are landing, you're going to a hot destination, or you need to be well-dressed, you wanna wear a dress, you wanna feel feminine. I have done this a million times. I've done another video on what to wear traveling, and I did talk about this. I often, if I'm heading to a hot destination, I will wear a long dress and I will wear leggings underneath. So for this dress, I've done the same thing. I did another video where I talked about the leggings I was wearing and those happen to be pleather. These ones here are from Lulu. They're breathable, they're amazing. I love them. I can work out with them when I get to the destination, so I'm not bringing multiple things. Another thing, this dress is from Christine Lingerie. It is made of silk, so it's completely breathable. It is like the world's softest thing. And the way that they're cut to fit everyone. So it's a really, really beautiful piece. I'm wearing an extra small. I love this color, especially for traveling in the winter. And get this, you can also wear it as your beautiful nightie when you go to bed. So it's so multi-purpose. Obviously, you're not gonna travel just with the dress on. With this one, I like to toughen it up a little bit. This is a pleather jacket, and I'm gonna show you, it's pretty cute on the back. I'll leave a link to this jacket designer down below. She brought me this jacket to the fashion show because I didn't have one, and I needed to wear one with the dress. So something to note with this dress, traveling somewhere hot, it's great to wear a long dress. You do wanna wear shoes that you can easily slip on and off. I'm just gonna say that I've paired mine with these wrap sandals. These are probably one of my very favorite pair of sandals. I do wear these in the airport, but if you are not prepared to unwrap your ankles and take those off going through security, maybe don't wear these. Just wear a pair of slip-on sandals. With something like this outfit, I like to, because it's a silk long dress, I like to toughen it up. So you can slide on actually a pair of like black slides. I've used a leather jacket to toughen it up. If you want it to be a little more feminine, put on a pair of ballet flats and a blazer. That also works perfectly well. So there you go, the dressy look, a long dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the 2nd time I've made this video. The first time I did it, it was what to wear when you're traveling to a hot place. This is just suggestions on how to look cute on an airplane, basically. And they're comfortable, breathable. One of the keys to stick to is to stick to natural fabrics, to linens, to wools, to silks. They're a lot more breathable and comfortable when you're actually on an airplane. So I hope that you guys like these pieces. If you like any of them and you really want to purchase them for yourself, I've linked them all down below. This video is not sponsored by anyone. These are literally my favorite pieces that I have found, that I'm in love with. I will leave them down there, call them. You can look online, whatever works for you. See you guys next week. Remember, if you like this video, to hit the thumbs up button, then I know that you like this type of video, or the red subscribe button, or both, and I will show up in your mailbox next Friday.